Aspen, are you drinking your sippy cup? What's in there? Some orange juice? Yeah? No, don't throw it on the floor. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Very good. Very good. Does Aspen want it? You want it? No? Okay. Can you say more? Do you want more? Very good. There you go. No, don't drop it. No, ma'am. Give it to Mommy. Good job. Good job.